You want to create a viral video with just a few clicks? In this video, I will show you how I create this short video in 15 minutes. No scripting, no editing, and no recording required. You don't have to be a computer guru as well before you can do this. The secret is the same viral app that's handle everything, everyone known as Capcut. I know that doing this manually can be stressful, but trust me, this is a game changer. Let me show you how I do it. So first of all, guys, you need to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a story for you. It may be okay, this I have my own prompt already. I've generated the prompt for me now. I'm gonna be putting this prompt under the comment section or under the video description for you to use whenever you want to do something like this. So you just have to head on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate a number of creative and engaging ideas for, you see, these numbers of ideas has to be like, maybe you want to ask for ChatGPT to create like 50, 100 of ideas, any numbers of ideas you want that will be creative and engaging idea for. It may be or relationship topic or motivational topic or scary topic stories. So, and this is the prompt you're going to use. I'm going to be putting it under the video description for you to use. And so you're going to tell ChatGPT to do this. This should be include unexpected scenarios that could spark discussion on advice. So let's do so. I'm just going to put like let's say 20 for now. I'm gonna put 20. It depends on you. You can put 150, you know. Then the topic, I'm gonna make it like let's use like something like relationship. Yeah, relationship stories. This could include unexpected scenarios. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT is going to give to us about this. Okay, let's see what ChatGPT does for us. So guys, here are 20 unique and discussion-worthy relationship stories idea that will spark engagement. I found out my fiance has a secret child at our engagement party. My husband lied about being rich, but his reason shocked me. Oh, a woman. I accidentally fell in love with my husband's twin brother. I left my wife for my best friend, but then my best friend left me for her. Oh, I think this is this is crazy, guys. This is really crazy. So then you gonna copy this other prompt to create the number of the number. So this other prompt is something you gonna put here for ChatGPT to create. So write a detailed and engaging story based on it. You know, here these I put like insert the idea number, like in the stories ChatGPT has created for us. You just have to enter the numbers of the stories you'll be interested in. Like for me now, I am interested in this. I left my best friend. I left my wife for my best friend, but then my best friend left me for her. So I think I'm really interested in this kind of story. So I'm gonna be putting that in this. So write a detailed and engaging story based on this insert. You're gonna see these two prompts under my video description for you to use. Or if you have any other things you want to do, you can just get back to me on my email or under the comment section. I'm gonna reply to you as much as I can, you know what I mean. Like, so let's say number four. So Hotel is entirely true. Okay, this prompt is originally for something else, right? So we have to
Sorry guys, I think I need to erase some things from here. Okay, we need to do this. So I'm gonna be adding like make it narrative, make it narrative, make it narrative, add tension, humor, or unexpected streak to keep it compelling. And at the end of the video and at the end of the story, app or call attention for viewers to subscribe. You know what, guys? You see, ChatGPT or DeepSeek is not about like you can speak hundreds of grammatical English. Just write it the way you understand your English. Trust me, guys, ChatGPT is gonna understand what you want to talk about or what you're trying to say. Trust me, you don't need to actually. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You don't need to copy a prompt. You just have to use your head, like be originated, like write what is in your head. The way the English comes, you should write it out. Like, you know what I mean? Like, my English is not even fluent, I'm just trying my best. So unless we want to be lying for each other, so you just have to do it the way you know that okay, this is how I can do it, this is how it goes. You don't have to wait for okay. So let's see what ChatGPT is going, right? So let's say so here is a gripping and emotional narrative based on I left my wife for my best friend, but then my best friend blah blah blah. I know you guys are intelligent more than me reading for you how to do it. You know what I mean? Like, so it's still going, ongoing. From the moment I met Sunday in college, we were inseparable. He was more than my best friend. He was my brother in every way except blood. Okay, guys. So all we have to do now is copy this. Ooh. When camera strikes. Ooh, the story is very long, guys. Very, very long. Ooh. But be careful what you wish for, because sometimes the people you betray want small crazy story. Okay, so ChatGPT is done creating the story script for us. So all we have to do now is go to our Google Docs. No, I mean, like, I don't know what you use actually, but me, I use Google Docs. So I'm gonna be copying all those stories ChatGPT just created for me for A to Z, and I'm gonna paste it into my docs for editing before I can turn them into a video. So here we're gonna be deleting these and all these, guys. You're gonna delete it. You're definitely gonna be deleting all this because it's definitely gonna be occurring in your video. Definitely gonna be coming up in your video, so you have to delete it. Because sorry guys, I know most of you guys do not like long videos. Me too. I don't like long videos, but what choice do we have? I just have to show you guys all through how you're gonna be doing it for it to be able to understand how you're gonna be doing it on your own. So guys, everything is ready. So we have to go through whether typo errors. We have to delete them and make everything looks perfect. So we're gonna be copying these stories. We're we're gonna be copying all those stories, guys, and we're gonna be copying it and move to the next chapter. So next thing you want to do, guys, is to go to your browser. Maybe you're using Chrome or Google or Opera Mini, and enter your Capcut. I'm sure you guys are smart enough to know what to do. If you don't have a Capcut account already, you should register with your email or sign in with your email. So after coming into your Capcut account, you're gonna be seeing this interface that's gonna be showing you all this. You can see Capcut is user friendly and it looks very easy to use, right, guys? So this thing I'm about to show you guys is more like a clipwise or whatever is this website called. It's AI video builder, like, you know, clipwise. I don't know if you guys have been hearing about this, but trust me, guys, Capcut is really doing a big job nowadays. It's a new thing. What is it about? Yeah, what is new that just popped up on the Capcut 2 days ago, and I was like, oh, I need to bring this out. So all you have to do is, when you have logging into your Capcut account, or if you already have the account, so all you have to do is click on this free AI video maker. You have to click on that. It's loading. So after clicking on that, guys, this interface is gonna pop out. As you can see, instance AI video. This is enter your script and select a style to generate a video with stunning image. And this says brainstorm with AI. This is coming up soon. Avatar video. This one is like when you can turn your script into a video, and this is, you can create your short video, like 10 seconds video that will talk for you. I'm gonna be creating video about this as well soon for you to understand what this means, and if it's this one you want to do as well, you can do it. But for now, guys, we're gonna be using the script to a video. This is what we're gonna be using. So guys, as you can see, you see the interface is very user friendly, guys, very user friendly. It comes with a lot of style: the realistic film, the cartoon 3D, the anime play, cyberpunk, everything. A lot of style, guys. I mean, I can't wait for you guys to create your video for this. If you're waiting for a way to create videos and you are still like, oh, how am I gonna do this, how am I gonna be generating images, this is the best thing for you to do, most especially if you want to be creating short videos on like relationship or motivational video. This is a good thing for you. So for me now, I'm going to be using this realistic. I don't know if you want to go for a cartoon 3D, you can use it, but for now I'm going to be using this realistic film. And the aspect ratio, I'm going to be using this 16:9 because, you know, this is advanced. I want to use for video. If I'm going to be using this, it's not going to work well for me, so I'm going to use this and enter the script in here. The script we copied earlier, so we're going to be entering it here, and then you go click on create. So this does not really take a longer, I mean, it does not really take much time. This is completely free, guys, completely free. This is what is amazing me about this video. It's complete 100% free. I mean, you need to try this out. I mean, AI is doing much thing for us nowadays. I mean, I've just been happy since 2 days I've seen this, and I was like, wow. I mean, if it's this easy, then everybody's going to YouTube advertise, you know, to engagements, you know, get the subscribers, viewers. But guys, if you can upload more video, make your video be realistic, and so after the downloading, guys, this is what we got. Let's check it out.
From the moment I met Tund in college, we were inseparable. He was more than my best friend. The amazing part, guys, is this is my voice. I mean, you can put your voice, you can use your own voice. If you don't want to use the AI voice, you can use your voice. I mean, this is amazing. He was my brother in every way except blood. We laughed together, struggled through tough times, and shared secrets no one else knew. But if someone had told
Although the image of the stories is not consistent, there's no consistency in the image video, the video images, but I mean, it's collide with the stories. I mean, everything goes smooth. So I'm still gonna check out the 3D animation video style. Probably that's gonna looks more different from this, but
Me years ago that our bond would be destroyed by a woman I would have laughed in their face, but that's exactly what happened. I met Ada first. She was smart and beautiful and had this way of making me feel like the most.
if you want to edit some part of the script, here you can edit. If you want to change any part, if you want to change the picture, you can change it. I mean, guys, this is very sweet. So I will be seeing you guys in my next videos. If you have any question concerning this video, you can ask me under the comment section, or I'm gonna be putting my email or my WhatsApp, any other place you want to message me. I'll try my possible best to attend to all messages or all comments under this video section. See you guys in my next video.